Hey everyone, Theme Park DNA here. Got another large mystery box order from Ultrasabers, mainly because of the Frankensaber. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, you have figured out that I am quite fond of the Frankensabers, and I'm a bit of a sucker. I don't know that I've passed one up since I started lightsaber content. I think I've participated in each of the Frankensaber promotions, and I was not going to order another one and found myself doing it anyway. So this is going to be box 1 of 2, and there's one that's on. Alright, now this particular order, so my recent orders, if you've seen my last 2 Ultrasaber videos, you would have noticed that they were my longest wait yet. 15 and a half and almost 16 weeks. Alright, so this particular order only took a month, actually 1 day shy of a month. So the very first one out of the gate is going to be a Dominic's LE V2 in Consular Green. Alright, next up is going to be an Aeon V4. I think I forgot to mention it, but the first one has an AV switch, and so does this one. We've got an AV switch and emitter windows. This one's going to be in Guardian Blue. Alright, next one up is going to be the Sentinel LE V5. It's a really, really good looking saber. I've had the little brother to this, the Apprentice V5. I believe that's going to be Violet Amethyst. We'll take a look at it closer. These LEDs are harsh and kind of washed it out a little bit. I actually turned them down earlier. Next saber up is going to be an Aeon V3. Got another AV switch. So far all of them have been. This one's going to be in Blazing Red. Next up is going to be an Apprentice V4 LE. We've got another AV switch. And this one's going to be in Sunrider's Destiny. Wow. Alright. I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but this is faded to Consular Green. It's really, really dim. I'm hoping it's just the batteries and not a resistor. One of the sabers, and it was green, was turned on when I opened the box, and I'm hoping it's just weak batteries. I'm going to test these real quick. That looks like that fixed the problem. It just needed fresh batteries. Alright. Most of these I ordered in mid-grade 36-inch blades, but I did order a couple of different blades just to kind of mix it up. I've got a 36-inch heavy blade in here somewhere, and I also ordered a 30-inch mid-grade, not the Ultra Edge, just plain old mid-grade, and this is it. It kind of has a silver appearance to it, and this is going to be an Apprentice V5. We've got an AV switch, and this is going to be an 8 in silver. So this is looking like a good box. Next up is going to be the Dark Initiate LE V5. We've got another AV switch here. This one's going to be in Blazing Orange. Correction, Fire Orange. Blazing Red, Fire Orange. That's a good looking saber. I like the claws. Alright, last up Alright, the last one in this box is going to be that 36-inch heavy grade blade. I did not get the Ultra Edge in it. And this is going to be a first for me. This is going to be a Prophecy V3. I'm excited to get it. It's a really nice size. It's more compact than I gave it credit for. But it looks like it's missing a couple of grabblies that normally come on it. But, oh, and it's missing the CoverTech wheel too, but I have a spare that I can put on there. So, we've got another fire orange. It's interesting in the Prophecy. Awesome. Alright, that's the last full saber for this box. But, I have an empty that's in here. So I ordered this about a month ago. And the end of last week, I got an email that said that it was going to be another 12 weeks if I kept my order the way it was. So I ordered an Azure Omen empty. And I do like the blue and how it looks on here. But I got an email saying it would be another 12 weeks for the Azure, but that I could get the dark Omen, which has the black anodizing instead of the blue. The Azure has the blue anodizing. And the Crimson, which has red anodizing. So I went and actually looked up some footage from the Thundercats TV show, and as it turns out, the black is actually more screen accurate. And so, with so many of my sabers being black and silver, I knew that these would fit right in, and I really love this hilt. It's such a great looking design. And I thought it would look great with other emitters, so I figured the black would go with almost all the emitters I have anyway. So to not have to wait 4 more months, I went ahead and ordered the dark instead, and they had everything fabricated and shipped off in like 2 days. So this emitter is really, really impressive. Great looking emitter. Great looking pommel. I went ahead and added a CoverTech wheel, although I knew that it might kind of mess with the aesthetics a little bit. I really wanted the ability to wear it, especially considering that I was planning on changing emitters on it. So it looks like this is hand painted, and so is the eye. That's awesome. Alright, so I'm going to be ordering a ripper blade for this. Well, that's going to do it for box 1 of 2. Let me know in the comments below what you think. That's going to do it for today. If you like this video, let us know with a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.